Good morning children. In the previous class we have done subtractions. Today in this class we are going to do 10th sum in page number 32 workbook. So what is the 10th question? Fill in the missing numbers. You have to find out the missing numbers. Here some boxes are given empty. You have to find out the missing numbers in these boxes. Okay children? Here you have to find out this box. Here the answer is 1, which means 11. So how will you get 11? If you add 3 to 8, you will get 11. Isn't it? If you add 3 to 8, you will get 11. Here you have to put the 1 and carry away 1 to the next place. And carry away 1 to the next place. Here the answer is 0, which means 10. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. If you add 7 to 3, you will be getting 10. So you have to put 0 here and carry away the next one. Isn't it children? Here the answer is 0, which means 10. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So if you add 7 to 3, this will become 10. So you have to put 0 here and carry away 1 to the next place. Did you understand children? Okay. Here 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So you have to put 1 here and carry away 1 to the next place. Here 1 plus 1 is 2, but the answer is given 4. So you have to add 2. So then it will become 4. Did you understand children how to find out the next missing numbers? So let us do the next sum. Here 6 plus 3 is 9 and 5 plus 5 is how much? 5 plus 5 is 10. So you have to put 0 here and carry away 1 to the next place. Did you understand children? 6 plus 3 is 9. You have to put 6 plus 3 is 9. If you go to the next place, 5 plus 5 is 10. So you have to put 0 in here and carry away 1 to the next place. Here 7 plus 1 is 8. In the answer it is given 0. So 0 means 10. So when will you get 10? If you add 2 to 8, then you will get 10. If you add 2 to 8, then you will get 10. Okay children? After doing the hundreds place, let us move to the thousands place. Okay children? Here it is given 0. 0 means how much? 10. So here it is given only 1. And also we are having carry away 1, which is 2. Here we are having only 2. But the answer is 10. If you add 8 to this 2, this will become 10. Okay children? So you have to put 1 here, 0 here and carry away 1 to the next place. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. This is the way of finding out the missing numbers. You do the C sum for homework. You do C sum for homework. Now let us do the D sum. Let us do the D sum now. D sum. 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. 8 box, 9 box, 4 minus 3 7 8 7 9. Okay. Here box 9 0 8 5. Now you have to find out the missing numbers in the given boxes. Here 9 plus 4. Here you have to find out the missing number in tens place. 8 plus 7 is how much? 8 plus 7 is 16. Okay children, 8 plus 7 is 15. Sorry children, 8 plus 7 is 15. Here you have to add 1 to the 15, then it will become 16. Because this 6 has to give away borrow. 1 borrow to this number. Here 8 plus 7 is 15. If you add 1 to this number, it will become 16. Why we have to add 1 here? Because this number will give 1 borrow to this number, so you have to add 1. So the number here is 6. Okay, now next we have to find out the missing number in thousands place. Okay, 9 plus 7 is how much? 9 plus 7 is 16. Here this number is not giving any borrow to this number because 8 minus 8 is 0. Here 9 plus 7 is how much? 9 plus 7 is 16. So here you have to write down 6. Here you have to write down 6. Okay, this number has given away 1 borrow to this number. So this will become 7. And 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay children. Now let us do the sum. That is 4, 5, box 4. Here also you have to find out the missing numbers. Okay children. Here also you have to find out the missing numbers. So here this number will become 12 if we borrow. Okay, this number will become 12 if we borrow. 12 minus 4 is how much? 12 minus 4 is 8. So the missing number here is 8. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. So here this will become 11. Because this number has given away 1 borrow to this number, this will become 1. After borrowing, this number will become 11. So 11 minus 3 is how much? 11 minus 3 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Now you have to find out the missing number here. 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. But you have to add 1 to this number because this number is giving away borrow to this number. So the missing number here is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. But you have to add 1 to this number because here the number is 3. Here the number is 3 and this will give borrow to this number. So here the number is 3. Next here. So this number has given away 1 borrow to this number and this will become 3. After borrowing, this number will become 13. So 13 minus 5 is how much? 13 minus 5 is 8. So this is the answer of the missing numbers. You do the F sum for homework. Now let us do the 11th sum. Now let us do the 11th sum. Estimate the following sums. Estimate the following sums to the nearest thousands. Okay children. So the numbers are 19,433, 24,488. We have to estimate the number to the nearest. We have to estimate the answer. We have to estimate the sum of the following numbers. So you have to round off the numbers to the nearest thousands. So when we have to round off the numbers to the nearest thousands, we have to underline the digit in hundreds place. Here the digit at hundreds place is 4 and it is less than 5. So no need of adding 1 to the next number. Simply we have to write it as 19,000. Now let us round off this number. In this hundreds place, this number is having 4. This number is having 4. So no need of adding 1 to the next number. This will become 20,000. Sorry, 24,000. So here the number in hundreds place is 4. No need of adding 1 to the next number. So this number will become 24,000. Now you have to add these numbers. 7 plus 4 is 13. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 4. So the answer is 43,000. This is the A sum. Let us do the B sum. That is 58,004 plus 4,784. You have to round up the numbers to the nearest thousand. So you have to underline the digits in hundreds place. Here the digits in hundreds place is 5. So no need of adding 1 to the next number. So the answer is 58,000. Here the digit at its hundreds place is 7. In this number the digit at its hundreds place is 7. So if we add 1 to the next number, this will become 5,000. So we have to add these two numbers. 0, 8 plus 5 is 13, 5 plus 1 is 6. The answer is 63,000. You do the C sum for homework. Okay children, you do the C sum for homework. Now let us move to the 12th sum. Let us move to the 12th sum. Now we have estimated the sum. Now let us estimate the difference. Now let us estimate the difference. Estimate the following. Estimate the following difference to the first one, nearest thousands, and second one to the nearest 10,000s. So we have to estimate both to the nearest thousands and also nearest 10,000s. Okay children, let us do the A sum. So 56,342 minus 28,732. First, let us estimate to the nearest thousands. For estimating to the nearest thousands, we have to underline the digit at its hundreds place. Here the digit at its hundreds place is 3. So no need of adding 1 to the next number. The answer is 56,000. Similarly, in this number, it is 7. So the number for rounding off this number to the nearest thousands, you have to underline the digit at its hundreds place. Here the digit at its hundreds place is 7. So you have to add 1 to the next number. Then it will become 29,000. Here you have to find out the difference, which means you have to do subtraction. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, 0. If you borrow, this will become 16 and this will become 4. 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now you have to estimate this number to the nearest 10,000s. Same sum you have to do for the nearest 10,000s. For estimating the answer to the nearest 10,000s, you have to underline the digit at its thousands place. Here the digit at its thousands place is 6, so you have to add 1 to the next number. This will become 60,000. For estimating this number to the nearest thousands, 10,000s, you have to underline the digit at its thousands place. Here the digit at its thousands place is 8, so you have to add 1 which is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the next number and this will become 30,000. Here difference means you have to do subtraction. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 30,000. So I have done the A sum. You do the B sum for homework. Okay children. I have done the A sum. You do the B sum for homework. You have to estimate both to the nearest thousands and nearest 10,000s. Now let us do the 13th sum. Let us do the 13th sum. Let us do the 13th sum. Subtract down and across, then subtract the answers you calculated. The answers across should be equal the answers down. Okay children, here it is given a table. You have to do the subtractions for finding out the empty boxes. So let us do it. After subtraction, you should get same answers for both the subtraction across and down. Okay. So here it is given 5745 and 4482, 1188, 130. Okay, these are the numbers given here. First you have to subtract these two numbers and find out the answer here. Okay, let us do the subtraction. 5745 minus 4482. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here 14. Here it is 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So here the answer is 1263. Now you have to subtract these two numbers. Okay children? That is 1188 minus 130. So 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1. So here the answer is 1058. Okay, after subtracting these two numbers, you have to subtract these two numbers. That is 5745 minus 1188. Did you understand children? First I have subtracted these two numbers and put the answer here. Then I have subtracted these two numbers and kept the answer here. Now I am subtracting these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers. Okay, 15 and 3. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is 4557. Now I am subtracting these two numbers. That is 4482 minus 130. 2, 5, 3, 4. So the answer is 4352. Now you have to subtract these two numbers and then these two numbers. Here you should get same answer. Either you subtract these two numbers or these two numbers. Here the answer should be same. Let us see whether we get the same answer or not. So 1263 minus 1058. Here 13. So 13 minus 5 is 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 2 minus 0 is 2. Here the answer is 205. Let us find out whether we get the same answer for these two numbers or not. Okay, let us subtract those numbers. 4557 minus 205. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 0 is 5 and 5 minus 2. Sorry children, here I have kept the wrong number. Here you have to write this number, that is 4352. Okay children, I have subtracted these two numbers and I have got 205. Now I am subtracting these two numbers to see whether I will get 205. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer is 205. So first you have to subtract these two numbers and you will get the answer 1263. Then you have to subtract these two numbers, you will get the answer 1058. Then you have to subtract these two numbers and then you will get 4557. After that you have to subtract these two numbers and you will get 4352. When you subtract these two numbers and these two numbers, you should get the same answer. Here we got the same answer. So the sum is correct. Okay children. Now today your homework is you have to do 10th C sum and F sum and also 12th B sum. 10th C sum and F sum and 12th B sum. Okay children. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.